Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you all how I achieved this Ghana weaving slash the feed in braid wig. Actually, this is my first time of trying the Ghana weaving slash the feed in braid, and this was inspired by a fellow YouTuber's video I watched here, and I decided to give it a try. So I will leave the lady's link in my description box for you to check out her video. So this is the expression attachment I will be using for this wig. So I'll be cutting it in two and drag the tips. Then I will cut a shorter one that I will use as a crochet braid or my wig cap. So what I'm trying to do here is just try to draw a line to demarcate where the braids are going to align. I'm just going to use my eye pencil to mark it out. So like the guy I got the inspiration from, this is actually a new method. What we'll be doing is do a crochet like a hair. While you're doing this crochet in order to get something to weave on. So I'll be using two methods to install this style, the ladies method and another different method. So if you want to see the other method, keep on watching. Mind you, this is not a tutorial guys, this is just to show you how far I have learned since I watched this particular lady's video I am talking about, because I am not an expert yet to do a tutorial. It is just a practice, like they say, practice makes perfect.
Play my song, yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then, and we getting high all night long. Bulaka, she love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing, she don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me, how they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, they carry, they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry, they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry, they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry, they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, let go. Ha, ha. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Na 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 na. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on it for me, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up pay me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I'm a pretty fine Winston. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha. She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. Oh, so for me pay a chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today.
So guys, don't know worry about the space you see here I'm going to feed them up somehow.
Bulaka. She love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing. Make you ginger me, how they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man.
So like I said, I'm going to fill up these spaces. So guys, let me show you the second method I'll be using to install the braids on the wig cap. First, I'm just going to take tiny bits of extension like this and weave out the feed in braid. Just watch the way I'm going to be doing it. So I'll be needing a needle and thread for this method. I'm just going to place the braided hair like this on top the wig cap and attach it with the needle.
You're a pretty fine girl and have a pretty fine waist on her. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good kiss on her. Ha! She feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha! She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate.
Please do not mind my camera, it's just fluctuating. Some parts are so blurry. I don't know, my autofocus is misbehaving.
She the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing. Make you ginger me, how they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me, all the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today.
So guys, I am done with installing everything. The next step is to trim the hair. Well guys, as you can see, like I told you, I'm not perfect. This is my first time of trying a Ghana weaving on a wig cap at that. I believe my next try will be much better. So guys, what do you think of this hair? Did I try or not? So here I'm trying to blend the lace wig with a foundation to blend with my skin color. And just put a patch like this. So guys, this is the end result. I couldn't get to try this on my head at the moment because I am having a crochet braid on my hair and the wig couldn't fit. So what do you guys think? We have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this tutorial helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.